This is kind of an unusual feature that we find in forests in the Pacific Northwest. This is a living stump. So this tree was cut down at some point, and many trees, Douglas-fir included, when they're growing near other trees and their roots come in contact with one another, their roots can graft onto one another, meaning they physically join and they share water and nutrients. This definitely happens within species. I think some trees might even do it across species. They also can connect across species through mycorrhiza, but what I'm talking about here I think is more based on root grafting. So this tree, when it was alive, before it was cut down, I should say, was connected to the trees around it, and they were able to share water and nutrients, and they established that relationship when they were all able to contribute. And when this tree was cut down, for some reason, I don't know if the trees don't detect that or all of the interaction that happened while they were alive just continues on. So even though this tree is no longer able to contribute to that relationship, it is still receiving water and nutrients from that relationship. And the reason I know that the stump is alive is we can see this growth here. The stump, the cambium, is continuing to grow, and it's trying to close up this stump. It's recognizing it as a wound. So just like if a tree branch gets cut off or broken off, the tree will gradually grow tissue around that to cover it up. These living stumps do the same thing. So if we were to come back here in maybe 20 or 30 or 50 years, assuming this relationship stays intact, which I presume it would, we would see this growth going all the way over the top of this stump. And as you walk around forests in Pacific Spirit Park and other parts in British Columbia, areas where trees have been cut a while ago, you do come across this where you have a Douglas-fir stump that has been completely covered over. That wound has been completely grown over by the stump.